Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. We are actually going to Ottawa today and we're going on a little weekend trip. We're gonna be gone for a few days. We're gonna go to Ottawa and we're also gonna go to Quebec. So I figured I would bring you guys along. So we're going to my friend KYRA'S cottage in Quebec, and then we're also gonna go to like a little fall farm thing. So that's gonna be cute. We just have like all the cute fall festive activities to do in this vlog. And also I have some new home decor that I want to show you guys. I have a few apartment updates, so I will show you that first. We're not getting the car rental until 3:30, so we're just gonna hang out at home for a bit and finish packing. So if you guys are not yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok. So first things first, we have some new prints that I want to put up on the wall. So these ones here, we're gonna swap them out for different ones. So since we got our new couch, I wanted to swap these out just for something a little more warm toned, and these do kind of give me summery vibes. So I want to swap them out, so we're gonna be doing that. So all the prints we have in this apartment are all from Desenio. We literally are obsessed with Desenio. They have the most amazing prints. They have so many to choose from, and I literally spent so long last year trying to find the perfect prints for our apartment, and Desenio by far had the best prints, and they just have so many options. I'm so excited to be working with Desenio on today's video. They have literally the most amazing prints. They have so many options. They sent us over a bunch of new prints to swap out on our walls. We're still gonna keep these. We're just going to probably swap them out like maybe in the summer, because I feel like the ones we have up are like definitely more on the summery side. They have lots of bright colors and more like funky prints. The ones that I chose this time are a little more like chill, just to switch up the vibes a little bit. So I'm really excited to put them up, so we can do that now. I have been waiting to open this package. I am so excited, you guys. Like, we got so many cute new prints, and I do actually have a code for you guys. So if you want to get any prints for yourself, make sure to use the link in the description. The code, I believe, is valid for 2 weeks. So if you want to get something, make sure to act fast. I will have all of the information in the description. Okay, I'm very excited to show you guys what we got, so let's go open the package. Miko is patiently waiting to see what is in the package. We currently have 2 prints over the couch, 2 in the kitchen over the bed. We have 1 here in the kitchen and then 1 there in the front hallway, so I think we're gonna swap them all out. Cute, that's the first one. Oh, this one is gonna look so good.
Yeah, I like that one. Oh, I love that one. That one is so cool.
Oh, I love this one.
I feel like we had this. No, it's because I've seen it on Pinterest. That's
why. This one.
Ooh. Oh my god, how many did we get?
This one.
Nice.
We got a lot. Okay, so now we'll decide which to put where. I think I've decided I want to switch for, I want to put gold frames over the couch because I think it'll tie in nicely with the couch, and there's gold in the lamp there, so I think it'll work. So the frames we have here, all of these are just from IKEA. So they're 50 by 70. We got these from IKEA, but Desenio also sells frames, but yeah, we just got these from IKEA. Okay, this is the first one. I love it. It looks so good. I love that in the gold frame.
Same.
That looks so nice.
Perfect. Wow.
These prints look so good. I'm so obsessed. I changed into a different t-shirt, but we're just finishing up packing. We're almost ready to go. I did most of my packing last night. I just have like a tiny bit left to do. So I'm bringing this jacket with me. I have my little makeup bag here. This is the toiletries bag, hair straightener. I'm also bringing this book. I just started reading this. It's so good. I decided to read a fiction book because I literally only read like self-help books, and I like never end up finishing them because they're normally like pretty dry, to be honest. So Brayden told me to try a book that actually has a story to it. So I got this because I've been hearing so many people talk about it and recommend it. So I picked it up, and I actually have never enjoyed reading so much in my life. It's so good. So if you need a book to read, I'm literally only like 5 chapters in, but I'm already so into it. Like, it's really, really good. So I have this, my phone charger. I need to get my laptop Brayden just left to go pick up the car. I'll show you guys my little travel OOTD. I'm wearing this hat. I don't know. Oh, this hat is from Kensington Market. My t-shirt is from White Fox, and then this denim jacket is from Princess Polly. My rings are from Every Jewels, and then my leggings are from Vitae, and these little booties are from Princess Polly. So this is my little travel fit, just super comfy, super chill. I'm waiting for Brayden to come back with the car. I'm just charging up my laptop right now so that it is fully charged so I can edit in the car. Our bags are packed, we're ready to go. Miko's bag is here too. The print is looking so cute. So yeah, I'm pretty much just waiting for Brayden to get here at this point. I'm literally so tired right now. I am exhausted. We went out last night with our friends, and I think I went to bed at like 3:30. So I'm so tired. So we're definitely gonna need some coffee. That's for sure. So first step is coffee, and then we gonna hit the road. I am so pumped to go to the cottage. I think it's supposed to be raining all weekend though, which kind of sucks, but it's still gonna be really fun. I just want to see the trees, and I just want to do cute fall things. So hopefully we'll get like a little bit of sun. We'll see. But yeah, I'm just so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. We are currently on the road. We actually made a quick little stop to get some dinner. Brayden just took Miko out to go to the bathroom, but we stopped and we got burritos, and I am literally so hungry. We've barely eaten anything all day, so I am so ready to eat food. Let me put you guys on for a second. We didn't actually make it that far yet. We've only been driving for like 30 minutes, but we realized how starving we were, so we stopped to eat. I've been looking up Halloween costume ideas, so I'm trying to like pick a good Halloween costume for us. I was thinking like maybe either like Barbie and Ken. I feel like that could be cute, or what else was I thinking? Daphne and Fred from Scooby-Doo, and then Miko could be Scooby-Doo. But yeah, that's what I've been doing right now. I'm just looking at Halloween costume ideas. We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna continue on the way. We are currently in the beaches right now. It's this cute area in Toronto. It's actually adorable. Like, look how cute this is. It's so cute here, and at the very end, I don't know if you can see, but there's water at the very end. It's literally so cute. Anyway, I'm gonna start eating food because I'm starving, but I will probably talk to you guys when we arrive in Ottawa. It is the next day. I just finished getting ready. I actually was finishing up some work this morning. I just had a video to finish editing, and then I had a TikTok to do. But now work is all done, and we are about to leave for the cottage. So yeah, I'm literally so excited. It's really gray and gloomy out, which is kind of sad, but it's not supposed to rain, so we might still be able to go out on the boat. We'll see. But yeah, I'm so excited, so let's go. Miko. Miko, come here. Are you gonna play with your best friend? Are you gonna stay here and play with your best friend, Miko? Miko, what did you guys get? Waffles? Nice. Miko's gonna stay here. He's gonna stay here and he's gonna play with his best friend Oscar. We brought Miko to a cottage before, but he's just so little. I feel like it's just better to keep him here at my parents' place. The raspberry white claw. Oh yeah, that could be good. Do you want to leave? They have so many different drinks here that I haven't seen. Okay. Oh, they have neutrals.
I can just like park anywhere, right?
Yeah. The best section back there. We just arrived at the cottage. update. We changed into our bathing suits and we're gonna go out on the kayak. I know, I can't believe we're going on kayaks.
Well, we could like kind of hike in our forest. We could like play bocce. I guess we can do it all. Like,
we can.
We are doing.
But
we chose.
I know, like I can't believe we're going on kayaks. It's cold.
It's cold, and that's what we chose to do. Like we chose, and it's already picking up. The waves are picking up, boys.
Yes, we have.
Oh my god.
The waves are picking up. Look at that. The wave.
All right, we're gonna go kayaking. I'm not gonna bring my camera, but everyone, cheers. We're currently having our beverages. The boys are outside making a fire.
Is this filming right this second?
Yeah, it's filming. And when was it built? In the 60s? So it was built in the 60s and then it burned down. Spooky. Brayden, please be careful.
Alex, don't your shoes.
Guys.
Alex, do not do that.
Oh my god, please be careful.
Oh my god, Alex.
Okay. Seriously, be careful. There actually could be someone living in there.
It's dangerous.
Alex, can you take a video on your phone and send it to me so I can use it in the vlog? I don't want to actually go in. They're literally in there having a photo shoot.
This is insane. This is crazy. These doors are creepy. This is like the entrance of a horror movie door.